And that means it's time to get the rides out. This is my dad's 57 Chevy. He built it when he was 12 and with Grandpa, and
I'll put battery in it. It's been sitting since October. And it's May. But I gotta put the battery in first.
That's a big battery.
It's heavy. Shit. Negatives this one. Take some video of the coupe. What do you think of that car?
The motor's sticking out.
The motor's sticking out, yeah. Why don't you zoom in on that motor? That distributor's on the wrong side.
You guys might not be able to see it, but it's like fur. It's like if these were all rocks, they would be all stalagmites or stalactites. I think it's stalactites.
That car, we gotta find Grandpa Freddie. He'll tell you about that car. Grandpa got that car out of a field. So I think the motor was sitting next to it in the field, so he picked the motor up and brought that home. Grandpa used to drive that to work every day. Great Grandpa. I probably should not teach you how to start this. Here's the key. You just turn it to the right. No, turn it one click. Fuel pump turn. Now you just gotta turn that key a little bit more until you hear it start. Yeah, you just gotta hold it longer. Look at that! That's not bad for sitting for 6 months, huh?
What you working on, Grandpa?
Huh?
What you working on?
Rachel's power steering. Trying to get a cotter pin in right now.
Here we go, guys. We are in the 68 Mustang. This is awesome. Okay, we're driving. Just a test drive here. Okay, that's a smooth button. This is awesome. This is awesome. I think this might be my first time in a Mustang.
How was it?
I said,
Was it shifty?
Yeah.
the turns were, but.
We got the 55 out this spring.